Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you set live photo as wallpaper on your iPhone. Make sure you have iOS 17 installed on your iPhone, otherwise it will not work in the iOS 16 or below. You should have iOS 17. Then just open that photo you want to set as wallpaper. Like I have this live photo and I want to set it as wallpaper, then I will just tap on this share icon on the bottom left corner. And if I scroll down, then I will find the option use as wallpaper. Just tap on it. Make sure it is not crossed. It should be this like play button, and you can zoom in or zoom out. You can adjust this image. After you are done, then click on add and then click on set as wallpaper pair. And here you can see the wallpaper is set, and when your screen will wake up it will be moving. So this is how you can set live photo on your wallpaper. Thank you everyone.